Hello girls, welcome to a new SHEIN unboxing video. This video is super special because I ordered only items that are $10 each. Yes, you heard that right, just $10. Because at SHEIN you can find cute, sexy and elegant pieces, and this video is proof of that. I honestly couldn't believe I found such elegant and beautiful pieces for $10. And the best part is, they don't even look like $10 items. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you everything I ordered. Remember that all the product info is in the video description. And if you use my code, all the items will cost you less than $10. Yes, you heard right. Less than $10. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So let's get started with this video. The first item is this super elegant and casual apricot colored dress, perfect for everyday wear. The fabric is very soft and fresh. I love this dress. Looks so beautiful. Right? I love it. The next one is a blouse that really surprised me. It's super elegant. I honestly can't believe it's only $10. Okay, if you use my search code, you'll get it for only $10. Literally. So take advantage, girls, because it's for a limited time. Alright? This blouse is super elegant and sexy. I really like it because it has a bold touch. I was surprised because I didn't remember or notice that it completely shows the back. So oh my gosh, it's such an elegant blouse with that sexy twist. If you're a girl who wants to look elegant, expensive and sexy, this blouse is for you. The next item is a pastel pink top, super cute and sexy. When I saw it, I was like, nine. I love it. I also wanted a top like this because they look super chic. So highly recommended. So beautiful. The next items are definitely a steal because they are 3 casual blouses, all for under $10. Yes, I love this because you can combine these blouses with all kinds of outfits. These are truly basics. I really love them because they're super fresh and comfortable. The next one is a striped blouse, another essential basic. I really like striped blouses, they look so pretty. The next one is also a black blouse, super cute and casual, perfect for work, university or everyday wear. I love it because it looks super cute. I'm in love with this blouse, so beautiful. These three tops are beautiful, just look at them. I fell in love when I saw them. They're super chic. I bought them because I'm planning to go to the beach, so these tops are perfect. They're really pretty. My favorite is the one that says Sherry. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. The next blouse is super cute, casual and relaxed. I really love this style. I can totally imagine myself wearing it while walking in the park, the forest or the beach on a casual afternoon. Imagine that. I just love it. This vest is so beautiful. I really needed one like this. It looks super cute, chic and elegant. I'm going to wear it with some SHEIN blouses from this video. I'm sure it's going to look so pretty. Yes. Let's move on to the last blouse. Super cute. I think I'm obsessed with striped blouses, but well, they're basic and I just love them. And well girls, I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments which item was your favorite. And if you want to see more SHEIN unboxing videos, I'll leave the playlist with all the videos here. Bye bye! Subscribe to the channel, okay? Bye!